Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to transfer our Spotify playlist to YouTube Music step by step. First, start by logging into your Chrome and go to this website. It's called Tune Music. You can simply go it by typing tunemusic.com, and here you can see there are different apps or source. If you want to transfer music from Spotify to YouTube Music, first select Spotify and just agree. And now, as you can see, load your Spotify music from has appear. You will get two options. First is load from Spotify account or paste playlist URL. So basically, you just want to go to your Spotify account and go to your playlist. Let's say I want to transfer this playlist to YouTube Music. Just click on the three dots here and click on Share and copy link to playlist. Basically, just paste it here and click on Load from URL. Now you will get an option called Choose Destination. Just click on it and click YouTube Music. In my case, it's this account. So basically choose it and hit on Select All and Continue. Now you see an option called Start Transfer. Click it. And you'll see that the transfer has successfully completed. Now go to YouTube Music to check. Just basically refresh it. As you can see, the playlist has been successfully transferred. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.